How to get over anxiety as a business owner. And this one I think is very hard, and I truly don't think, wait, hold up, before I go into it, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'd love to hear in the comments how you get over anxiety as a business owner or as an entrepreneur, because it is something that hopefully you're facing, because I mean, it's a competitive sphere and you're always thinking about like, man, how am I going to do this? How are we going to get this shit done? But let's get going. And don't forget to watch to the very end so I can give you the best tip like always. What's going on, winning family? If this podcast is bringing you any value, I know the rest of the content that we put out is going to drive tons of value to you. So go do me a favor and go subscribe on YouTube to our channel, to where we release some things that aren't coming out on our podcast. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you guys so much. This is how I have been dealing with anxiety, let's just say, my whole life. I remember in high school, I had like a mental breakdown and I had to go to like a therapist. And I was talking to her and I was like, man, I just feel like every day something awful is going to fucking happen. And they're like, oh yeah, you have really bad anxiety. I was like, oh, I guess so. But it's an easy way you can channel that anxiety into working more. I think me having ADHD and anxiety is like the best thing that's ever happened to me, because now I know, hey, how do I help with my anxiety? Well, I work out more and then I work more. And it's made me a lot more successful than a lot of people I know. But when you have anxiety in business, generally what I like to do is sit there and think, okay, like what am I worried about? What am I truly stressing out about? Or am I just sitting there like shaking for no reason, and you haven't sat there and meditated about, well, why do I feel this way? Generally, when you have anxiety, it's because like something you don't know is if it's going to go the right way. And if it is for a short period of time, bro, it's natural. Bro, her, she, it is natural, right? I mean, so I had a question today with one of my one-on-one coaching people that I was consulting with, and he was like, dude, your payroll's so big, like do you freak out about that every month? I was like, no, because I know predictably I have X amount of money coming in and X amount of coming out based off of our P&L and based off of our business model. And I've set it up that way so I can have metrics that I can go off of that make me feel better inside and that help me go to sleep at night, so I know, okay, we have X amount of coming in, X amount of money going out. Yes, the payroll bill is really, really large, but man, the payroll bill just goes out because it goes out, dude. We know it's what it costs to fulfill. That is what's helped me, is having metrics that I can exactly lean on to where, okay, yes, this is happening, but we know this will be the end result. Hey guys, I'm making a massive push on Instagram. I want to get to 100,000 followers organically by the end of the year. And the only way I'm going to do that is by you guys sharing my content. So please go give me a follow on Instagram and share whatever videos on there that you see are valuable to you. Share it to your story. Thank you so much.